The huge sporting event that unites the country and the world comes with a lot of wins. So get in the action and make your own gold, silver, and bronze medals for your guests. Let's get started. You'll need 1 cup of salt, 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of warm water, a rolling pin, a circle cookie cutter or a drinking glass, a large straw, a shot glass, gold, silver, and bronze acrylic paint, and ribbon. To make the medals, use the basic salt dough recipe. Mix the flour and salt together and gradually add in the warm water. Once it's mixed, knead the dough until it's soft and smooth. Then, using a rolling pin on a lightly floured surface, roll the dough out until it's a 1/4 inch thick. Cut out circles and lay the circles on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Using a straw, poke a hole at the top of the circle so you can thread a ribbon through it later. And using a shot glass, press into the dough slightly to make rings or any design you want. Bake at 300 for an hour or until they're golden in color. Once they cool off, paint them gold, silver, and bronze. Let the paint dry. Thread the ribbon through the hole at the top. And there you have it, medals that'll make everyone feel like a champion.